What's up everybody, Show 3.4 here, bringing you another vlog. First thing I'm gonna say is do not mind how I look. I just woke up and I'm laid off now, so I have nothing to do. Well, I have stuff to do, but I don't have to go to work anymore. It's Monday at like 10:30. I woke up like half hour ago because I can. And I was up till like 2:30 playing COD with the boys, which I've been doing a lot. And honestly, it's been so much fun. Just kind of not caring about anything, just coming home, playing Call of Duty with the boys, because everyone's on during this quarantine thing. So since everyone's on, it's just been a whole lot of fun. But anyway, if you guys haven't noticed, the background of this video is a little different than normal. That's because we finally acquired our own place. And I'm excited to show you guys everything, and I'm excited to show you the best part about it, the part that I'm most excited about. And I've been wanting to work on this. Okay, it's garage. Okay, obviously you can tell by the title, it's garage. I've been wanting to work on this garage for like 2 weeks, but I've been working, because it's March and April now. It's kind of hard to get a really nice day, because the way I want to do it is I want to pull everything out of the garage, and it's been raining a lot. Or when it's not raining, I'm at work or busy doing something. So now that I'm laid off, it's Monday. It's like 50 degrees out right now, but I think it's supposed to start getting a little warmer. Not too much warmer, but it'll be just enough for me to be able to start working, pull everything out of the garage, and set up my garage the exact way I want it. And I just want to show you guys the whole process. So let's go get started. So the best part about this place is the house has 2 garages. And this one, we've got some stuff in here from moving and stuff. We gotta get that couch down in the basement. This one's Jay's garage, so she can pretty much come in here and park her car, and we can store. This one's attached to the house, but the one that's not attached to the house is mine. Oh, it is nice out. There's my garage. Let me get my shoes, and I gotta grab my truck because I gotta jump the show to get it out of there so we can start cleaning. That is getting taken care of in June. All right guys, so here it is. Here's the driveway. So we live on a corner, and here's the driveway. Comes right up. So I got 2 driveways, 2 garages. It is freaking sick. And like I said, I've got to do a bunch of cleaning in here. Half of the stuff they left me, like all this wood, that ladder, all that wood right there. There's stuff up on the rafters. All that shelving and pretty much everything on those shelves, they all left me. There's a bunch of stuff back there. Those are obviously mine. And a lot of this stuff is mine. But like this rack, they left me that with all that stuff on it. I gotta figure out where to put some stuff and kind of how I want it. So I got enough room in here for the car, and I got enough room in here to work on the car if I want to, because I will be doing work on this in here soon, hopefully this week. But yeah, this is it. Right now, the first thing I'm gonna do, because I still got the truck running, I'm gonna come up and jump this thing so I can move it. I'm gonna pull it out and probably let it run too for a little bit. And I might actually wash it just because. Maybe I'll wash both. I don't know, let me check the weather. It's supposed to be 60 today. And all week it ain't supposed to rain. Yeah, I'm gonna wash both. Why not? All right, so truck is washed. It's not the best wash in the world. And honestly, this thing needs to be paint corrected so bad. And me and Ryan plan on doing that now that it's getting nicer out. We plan on doing that to both the trucks here, hopefully pretty soon. Kind of wipe down the door jambs, put some Rain-X on the windshield. She's looking good. I'm not I ended up thinking I'm not gonna end up washing this because I had this thing stored at my work for like 2 months. And while it was there, I started it one day and I ran it through the wash. And like, the car's gonna be painted eventually. So like, it's fine. And there's no point in wasting a bunch of water and washing it. So I'm just gonna start this thing up, jump this, move it out, let it run. And a lot of this might be time lapse of just kind of seeing with the garage, emptying stuff out, but you guys can kind of see it before here. It's gonna look a lot different. Put my posters on the wall. I'm gonna have a TV over there, speaker system. It's gonna be cool, but we gotta get going. Seems to think the show doesn't run, and I don't understand why they think that. I think they forget I had 2 of them, because everyone knows my motor's down in Atlanta and everyone knows my transmission's being built, and they're all like, I thought your show didn't run. No, I have 2 of everything. So yes, it runs. Barely, but it runs. So I'm going to kind of set you guys up. For me, it's probably gonna take like an hour to get rid of all this crap. Set it out, sort what I want and don't want. But I'm going to kind of set you guys up just so you guys can kind of watch me do a time lapse. Alright guys, so I finally got everything emptied out. I'm gonna keep some stuff in here, like this ladder I'll keep in there. I'm probably not gonna mess with anything up top right now just because there's no point. I got nothing I want to put up top, so you know, what's the point of messing with all that stuff? I mean, I could make sure nothing's living up there, but I think it honestly should be fine. Let me actually check how much is laying underneath above this garage here. Yeah, definitely don't have to worry about anything up there. But like I said, next thing I'm gonna do is sweep this because it is a mess. Like there's some grass clippings and all over the place and just dust and dirt, and I'm gonna clean it, sweep it, see how good I can get the floor done, and from there start setting up. So while I'm sweeping, I'm just gonna plug you guys in to the charger. And then, how's tanning going? Great. Is it? 60 degrees. All right guys, so we've got the whole garage swept out. Did pretty much as best I could with the brooms I had. Got all the grass clippings out of there, the dirt out of there. Especially this side was pretty bad. Got it all swept out. Now before I start loading everything back into the garage, I'm gonna start hanging out my posters. Start hanging those up and some car pictures. And then once everything's on the wall, then we can start throwing stuff on the shelves. Once everything's on the shelves, I just got a lot of stuff to figure out where to put it. All right, boys, here's what we got so far. Got the posters on the wall. So I took down this shelving, went all the way to the wall, like this side of the wall, and I took it down because this is gonna be my TV and stereo system area. Cause I got a TV that's probably about this big, and the shelving, as you guys saw, I just took those down so that TV, laptop, and stereo system could sit there. Everything else is gonna be used for storage for car stuff, and then I got the lawnmower is gonna be sitting right there because that's gotta go in and out probably most of the time. Wheels and tires I wanna be able to get to easily, so if I go racing, I can get to them. And then shelving, I'm gonna put all my oil, my stuff on, and I'm just loading it kind of piece by piece, depending on where stuff is gonna be used the most and what can go in the corners and whatnot. So it's coming. I've been doing this for like a couple hours now. Actually, well, I started washing the truck first, and then I started doing this, so like 4 hours. And stuff's going back in, so should be done in the next hour, hopefully. Alright guys, I am finally done. I'm so happy. I started this at like 10 and it's 4:30 now. I still got a little bit of junk left to get rid of. That's gonna be my trash can for the garage, and it's full of stuff I didn't want. And that wheelbarrow is full of stuff I didn't want, and everything else I didn't want but didn't want to get rid of is downstairs. So here is the garage. Got posters on the side of the wall. The norm. I'm gonna be getting a toolbox for there shortly, hopefully, and start throwing some tools in it. Some show parts are up there. Ram parts are up there. This is gonna be my little like area TV. I'm not putting my TV up yet because I'm gonna be using it in the house today. But otherwise, TV is gonna go here. Sound system. This is kind of like my little area right here. Got the cars, posters and stuff like that. And then just random parts, the subframe of the show, and like my jack stands on there, oil, washing stuff, fluids like and brake clean, power steering fluid, training fluid will be up there, painting stuff, extra light bulbs, spare tire or the tires, racing tires for the truck. I got them close to the door so that because those will usually be used the most, and the lawnmower because I'll use that every week. And then I sweep the floor, got the floor all cleaned up, got the sides of the walls all cleaned up, all the dust and grime and grass clippings that they left and all that kind of stuff, and got it set up just how I want it. So now pretty much the last thing to do is to put the car in its new home. Perfect. And I will show you the inside of the house a little bit. It's pretty sick. The second coolest part, besides the garage, is the basement. Boom! Bar, baby. Got a four stool bar. Got the fridge with all the essentials. Got the TV down here. Xbox hooked up for it. Jay made these decorations. Got these car glasses. I'm gonna actually, I was supposed to grab a car and put it up there. Fuel up, because we got this little, Kendra gave us this little thingy. So that's cool. Got lights underneath the bar. Pretty sick. And booyah. Pool table. Awesome little setup. So you guys go, there's a little taste of the new place. Like I said, I'm so excited to have my own garage now. So excited to have it exactly how I want, with my car in there, all my parts in there. Don't have to have stuff stored in every single house in this freaking state, and it's great. I'm excited to have it how I want it, and to have like another driveway and it be a separate garage is sick. So I'm extremely happy. If you guys watched the Jay Green Tune video, I said in that video there was a reason that headers are gonna have to wait for a while. This is why. Which I was still planning on getting them in June after my wedding anyways, but now, especially with this house that we got and stuff, gonna keep that on track of like, okay, I can still afford to get parts and still afford to get them in June. It's just there's no way I'm gonna be able to get them earlier, which is fine, because the closer, well, now with all this COVID stuff, you can't really do anything anyways. I'm laid off, and the closer it gets to the wedding, or I have going on. So once I get back in June, middle of June, I should have the motor by then as well. Once I get back in June, I will be getting headers for the truck. And I was supposed to go racing. Today's April 6th. I was supposed to go racing this past weekend, but COVID screwed that up. So hopefully I can go racing before I get headers, because I want to see what a tune does with just a tune. So we'll see, but hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next vlog.